All right, number 13, they want us to find the equation of a line that goes through the point 5, -1, and is parallel to the y-axis. Okay, so now we've changed gears just a little bit. Okay. So if I think about 13, here's my y-axis, parallel to the y. Did we change gears? Same thing. It's going to be something like this, a vertical line that's parallel. It's going to go through the point +5, -1. Again, vertical, crossing only the x-axis. I'm concerned with only the x value, so x equals 5. That's all we need there. This next one, we're given the slope and goes through this point. Okay, so here's one that I was kind of mentioning where sometimes I like to work it different. So I'm going to work this one a little bit different than using point slope form, but you're always welcome to use that. I just want to show another method, y equals mx plus b. Okay, so we want our equation in slope-intercept form. So I want it like this. So all I need to do is figure out slope and the intercept. So I need to figure out b. So what I like to do when I'm given the slope is I start out with y equals, and I plug in the slope, which is -2 divided by 3 times x plus b. Now this equation will be solved if I only knew what b was. So the point that they give us, which is -1, -3, this is an x value, this is a y value, so guess what? I'm going to plug this for x, I'm going to plug this for y, and I'm going to solve and figure out what b is, and then I'm going to come back and plug them both in. So I'm going to do a -3 here, -3 equals -2/3 times the x value, which is -1, plus b. So I'm going to just plug those values that I'm giving in, and then solve for b. So I'm trying to figure out what b is now. So I'm just going to multiply these two. So I'm going to have a -3 equals, this is now going to be a +2/3 plus b. And then I want to get rid of the fraction. So I'm going to multiply everything by 3, or both sides by 3. 3 times 3, -9. Equals 3 is going to cancel out 3 here, so leave me with 2. 3 times b plus 3b. Now I'm going to subtract 2. It's going to give me a -11 equals 3b, and then divide by 3. And we get b is equal to -11/3. So I'm going to take this and plug it in here. And so we get y equals -2 divided by 3x, and then b value was -11/3. So this is one other method that I like to use instead of the point slope form. Sometimes it's a little bit easier, may not always be, but you have that option if you like that method as well. Y equals -2 divided by 3x minus 11/3. All right, and then